welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look inspired for the Chinese New Year. I believe it is the year of the ox this year. Now, I am not big into horoscopes of any kind, but I can appreciate other people's culture, and I know their New Year is a big deal. So anyone who is celebrating that, you know, stay safe, God bless, enjoy. The basic steps I'm doing now are the same steps I used before in a previous video. I'm doing my A-Press dupe. Now, I am using this Extreme Plus primer. I'm loving this primer. I bought it from Sam's Nail Supply. This is what it actually looks in a bottle. What you saw before, I had to put it in my own bottle, but that's okay. I will leave it linked in the description box below, along with everything else I used here. And like I said, I was doing my A-Press dupe. I will link in the cards the previous video where I explained in more detail how I went about doing my A-Press dupe. So you should see that up above. And yeah, I'm just going about doing this A-Press style type without actually being A-Press. But I'm actually loving doing this type of nail now. I might actually offer it as a service soon in my little home studio. But yeah, from start to finish, from my one hand, it did take me an hour. I was using my non-dominant hand to do this design, but it came out really beautiful, if I do say so myself. Now, don't judge me, because the finished the finished pictures, I took those pictures at least a week after I had already done the nail, and I have been taking clients all week, so they may have a few scratches in that finished product picture. Don't judge me. I did the video, and after I did the video, it was just time for bed. So yeah, but I'm just going through my basic steps here. I'm just doing my matte top coat. I'm using 2 D&D colors and 1 KIARA Sky color. The KIARA Sky, I think, is a Caliente red. I love this red. Like I said, I will leave everything linked in the description box below. But guys, this stamping plate is everything. I love this koi fish stamping plate. It is beautiful. I did get it from AliExpress, but I will leave everything linked in the description box below. And if anyone wants a more in-depth video on how to stamp, I will leave that link in the cards, because I did do a more in-depth video showing you the process of stamping nail art on nails. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Please share this video, like, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Let me know if any of you are celebrating the Chinese New Year and what you're doing for it. And like I said before, be safe out there, guys. Stay safe, be kind to each other. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna end it off here. Oh, I will add, I am going to be launching my Etsy site soon. So all my custom mixed glitters will be available for sale on my Etsy shop. It is not launched yet, but it will be probably sometime next week. So we are in currently the 2nd week of February. I'm gonna say give me until the last week of February, and I'll be announcing it so you guys can go check it out. So yeah, thank you guys so much. You guys are awesome, wonderful. I love reading your comments. I love that I'm able to help some of you and share my love for nails and nail art. And that's it. So until next time, bye kitties. Stay safe, stay blessed. I'm out. Bye.